Shah Rukh Khan may have been the highlight of the opening day of the Indian Film Festival, but the caliber of regional cinema is helping make the festival a little less Bollywood obsessed. The hold of Bollywood is on a slow fade out. Regional cinema makes a strong comeback in the Indian panorama at the IFFI this time. It opened with Shyama Prasad's Malayalam film Ore Kadal, starring National Award winner Meera Jasmine. But the director feels regional films still get an unkind cut.
I think that it's a privilege to be the opening film. I have complete admiration for Shah Rukh Khan, but the aspect of him being the inaugural person, and look at the fact that he doesn't have even a single film in the festival. And there are South Indian stars like Mammootty, who has 3 films appearing in the festival, and he's nowhere in the scene. NFDC is trying hard to regain lost glory. As a producer of quality films, there's a real effort to promote new ideas and techniques. It's Film Bazaar, to producers and buyers together. It has been a no-show till now, but there is a buzz about it at IFFI now. A few co-productions in regional languages, some non-traditional markets are being talked about. NFDC also set up Screenwriters Club to get new ideas in film scripts and to get producers interested in them.
Well, that is the objective of the script workshop. NFDC's role has always traditionally been to step into areas where there has been a vacuum in the industry. And we believe that we have some kind of a contribution to make on script development. And this is based on the feedback that we receive from people in the industry themselves. So we set up this workshop. We would like to do more work. This is certainly an objective for the next 5 years, working on script development.
Script writing has become very important in India. It's fantastic. And I think that's one department, if it comes up, I think Indian cinema will proportionately go up.
Writing a good script is the first stage in doing that. And it's been really exciting because they know the films they want to make. They have a really strong sense of the stories they're telling, which are about modern life in India. And they just needed that, step of help to get them down on paper and get the stories out there.
These are just a few of the many productions from NFDC which will release across theatres in 2008. With 8 new productions lined up in the coming year, 2008 definitely promises big things for NFDC. In Goa with camera person Dinesh Harale, Pooja Talwar for NDTV.